Guys, it's Cynthia from It's Pouring Paint. So I did a blowout or a Dutch pour last time, and I'm going to do another Dutch pour this time with some different colors. So I am going to start off with my yellow, and this time I'm just going to kind of put it in the middle here. I've already flooded the canvas, so it has the ability to move. I'm going to put this phthalo green in. I have this Van Dyke brown. And then for metallic, I'm going to put in this copper. Okay, all right. So now I'm just going to clean this up and go ahead and do the fluid. All right, so here we go. Okay. There we have it. Interesting, interesting. Every time I do this, I forget that I have stuff on the table that can blow away. Every single time. So I'm just going to go ahead okay. So I'm wondering if I should do a little bit there. It's just a little bit easier to get to. Let me put a touch of yellow, just a teeny tiny little touch. Okay. Okay. I like it. As you can see, there are cells formulating, and I think that's really cool. I really, really do. I like it. I am, however, thinking this yellow now needs a teeny tiny bit of green. I know. Maybe just like that. All right, I'm going to go ahead and torch it. Let me just see what that does anyways. I think I'm running out of butane. Normally they don't tilt these guys or anything, but I think I'm going to go ahead and just do a little bit of a tilt. in this general direction. Sorry guys. I hope you can see. This might be unorthodox, but I'm wrecking it a bit. I'm doing a little tilt. I don't even know if that was a smart idea or not. I guess we'll find out. You know what? I'm going to do a little wrecking here too. All right. Well, I don't hate it. These are all new things. That's why. We haven't been doing this for long at all. We've only been doing this for like a couple months. And every time I'm just like, oh, I've got to try that. Oh, I got to try this. And I look for it myself. You know, some things are pretty good. I do good at, and then some things not so well. But that's the whole thing. At least you get to experiment with it and decide for yourself what is your favorite thing to do. Like, you know, maybe it's not this, but I do love this. And I'm going to be quite honest with you. I love doing the Dutch pours. I can't help it. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and ask you, what do you think? Do you like it? It's a bit strange. Maybe I shouldn't have wrecked it here. I don't know. We'll have to see. I'll ask you what it looks like when it's dry. Thanks for watching. Oh, wait, I'm going to do a close-up for you. What am I talking about? My hands are full of paint, that's why. So I'm sitting there thinking to myself, don't touch the camera. But I actually am going to touch the camera because I want to do a close-up of this. So there it is. It's very interesting to me. Different colors in there. All right. Have a great night. We'll see you next time. We are going to try something new again. Have a great one. Bye.